I came to Philadelphia with a rod in my hand. I sure am no saint, I am no righteous man. I don't miss the cold, but I do miss the sand. It takes some adjusting, but I'm sure that I can. And I tell you, I'm no righteous man. They all like to treat me like some wanted man. They come from far and wide just to spit in my hand. I came in September to run from the cold. The young they tolerate it, but my body's getting old. And I tell you, I'm no righteous man. Philadelphia from up north Newfoundland. My mother, she was a teacher, my dad a fisherman. I don't miss the cold, but I do miss the sand. It takes some adjusting, but I'm sure that I can.